So at Taylor & Francis, print on demand is like one of our main ways of printing. As opposed to conventional offset printing, print on demand can be done as simply one book at a time, whereas conventional printing requires printing thousands of books to make it cost effective.
20 years ago we would have sent a book from the UK or the US. We didn't have any printing locally, and our warehousing was solely done through these two countries.
Local printing plays a really important role in reducing our carbon emissions. Now we're printing truly globally. We're printing in Japan, Canada, India, Brazil, South Africa. What this means is the distance a product has to travel to get to the customer is absolutely minimised, and plus they get the book much faster, so everyone's happy.
In the past, overhauling was a massive problem for most publishers. Print runs would stretch into their thousands and the titles may only sell into their hundreds. So pulping was a major part of what publishers had to do each year. Now at Taylor & Francis we do a lot of print on demand, so we print exactly what we need for our customers. Where print on demand is not possible, we look at data, we work with sales, we work with editorial to get the right number of books for that market.
We think it's an absolutely massive change in terms of sustainability. So when a printer receives an order for one of our print-on-demand products, they take two PDFs that we've sent them, one for the text file and one for the cover of the book. Those are then produced on two different machines and then matched up together in the bindery. Once they're bound together, then it's dispatched out to the customer and they receive it in the post.
Henry Ling is a printer and binder in Dorchester. We print books for customers such as Taylor & Francis. We've got litho and digital printing, and we can print softback and paperback and hardback books. Technology has changed a lot in the time, so now we can do something called print on demand, so we can print from one book to 10,000 books. We print a roll of paper that's up to half a tonne at one time, it can be 2,000 individual books of one on, and then that reel of paper is taken down to the binding line, and from there it's unwound, folded, cut, the cover's put on, and it's a book finished in that one machine. And so every book can follow another, it can be different. It's incredible to think that in just a few years, less than 10 years, we're now daily producing books with just one copy, hundreds of them at a time, 300 to 400 an hour, and shipping them out the door. And that would really have been unheard of a decade ago. At Henry Ling, we take sustainability very seriously. It's good now, there's a lot of collaboration. We've got something called the Book Chain project we're part of. It gives credibility on the products we're producing. We're 100% renewable electricity. We buy all 100% FSC papers. We've got targets for carbon reduction, hoping to reduce by 50% by 2030.
So the impact of our efforts with print on demand has led to a 30% reduction in our supply chain emissions and waste. It's also meant that book returns has been reduced by over 100,000 copies a year.